Welcome back. Today I want to show you a workflow that will completely change how you turn long videos into snackable, post-ready clips, all without the endless manual grind. If you've ever wrestled with Premiere Pro's text-based editing or spent hours hunting for the best moments in a 2-hour interview, stay tuned as I compare it with a much faster AI-driven alternative. Premiere Pro's text-based editing is a brilliant idea where it transcribes your clips, letting you edit by deleting text, searching phrases, or trimming silences. But honestly, for creators who need to pump out dozens of short clips every week, it still feels a bit manual and clunky compared to modern automated tools. That's where Vizard steps in, taking that text-driven approach and supercharging it to handle the heavy lifting for you. Instead of manual scrubbing and slicing, Vizard takes your long video and automatically detects the high-performing moments, builds captions, and schedules your social posts. Let's start with the upload process. Premiere requires you to manage project settings and transcription configurations just to get started with your footage. Vizard just needs the file, and once it is uploaded, the platform instantly runs its AI analysis to find your clips, saving you the headache of tinkering with settings. Next is the transcript review, where Premiere asks you to handle filler words and gaps manually, which becomes a major time sink when you are working on dozens of videos. Vizard provides an editable transcript too, but with bulk cleanup tools that can automatically identify and trim those awkward filler words like or with a single click. One of my favorite things in Premiere is manually deleting gaps, but Vizard changes the game by letting you apply bulk gap removal rules across the entire project at once. This allows you to keep natural pacing while instantly eliminating those uncomfortable long silences without having to hunt for them one by one. Cutting and rearranging is where text-based editing really shines, as Vizard lets you drag and drop transcript snippets to splice your video without any complex timeline gymnastics. When it comes to search, Premiere highlights your phrases, but Vizard is smarter, scoring surrounding context to suggest which instances will actually perform well on social media. This means you are not just finding words, you are finding the moments with strong emotional cues or visual interest that your audience will actually want to watch. We also need to talk about captions, where Premiere offers robust tools, but Vizard automates the process and perfectly adapts line length for mobile screens automatically. It gives you styling presets like bold names or colored callouts, and with one click, you can burn those captions directly into the video for an instant upload. Exporting is another win. While Premiere exports basic transcripts, Vizard packages your best performing clips and caption copy into a complete asset bundle ready for your social platforms. And scheduling is where Vizard truly leaves traditional editors behind, because unlike Premiere, it includes an auto-scheduler to queue your content for you. You can set your posting frequency, let the AI handle the timing, and manage everything from a single content calendar, which is a lifesaver for running multiple channels. Now, let's be honest about the trade-offs. Premiere Pro is still essential for high-end finishing and complex multicam projects where frame-accurate control is your priority. But if your goal is scaling quick repurposing workflows, Premiere wasn't built as an all-in-one content pipeline, whereas Vizard is specifically designed for that exact mission. Other platforms might promise quick cuts, but they usually lack the crucial content management and scheduling features that Vizard brings to the table. Here are a few tips. Always skim the AI transcript to catch minor errors, and use the filler word cleanup tool, but remember to spot check to keep your meaningful pauses. Let the AI suggest your clips, but apply your own editorial taste when deciding which ones to push as your main shorts. To wrap up, if you love the idea of text-based editing but want to stop bouncing between a timeline and a social scheduler, I highly recommend you try Vizard. You can upload one long video, have the platform pick your highlights, and schedule a week's worth of posts in about 15 to 20 minutes of work. It's a simple change that saves you huge amounts of time, so go try it on your next long-form piece of content and see how much faster you get. If you like this walkthrough, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creator tips, and I will see you in the next one.